Are you having trouble falling asleep or insomnia? If you watch this video to the end, you will ease into a more restful sleep. Thank you for watching this video. I understand that you want to begin your meditation, so I will keep this brief. If you're new to our channel, welcome. My name is Mike Vini and I'm with the Relax and Be Emotionally Well app team. We regularly share brand new videos and I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss this opportunity. The Relax and Be Emotionally Well app delivers guided meditations with a unique proprietary formula so that each one is inclusive, trauma sensitive, and uses transformational language to give you instant stress relief and deep relaxation. We invite you to download it on the App Store or Google Play Store. There's a link in the description. Now, it's time to meditate.
This video contains movement that may cause discomfort for some viewers, such as individuals with vestibular disorders. If desired, you may listen to the meditation instead, or view the transcript. Welcome to this meditation to ease you into a long, deep, and peaceful sleep. Please do not participate in this activity if you are in a situation that requires you to be alert and responsive, such as driving a motor vehicle or operating heavy machinery. Make sure that you are in a comfortable position to fall asleep. If you are lying in your bed, take a moment now to make any adjustments to your body or to your pillows or blankets so that you can easily drift away into sleep without feeling any distractions from your body. Now close your eyes and feel your body gently sinking into the mattress or surface beneath you. Feel your muscles beginning to relax and let go as your body settles. Make the intention to yourself that you are going to sleep deeply and peacefully. Create a vision in your mind of yourself fast asleep in a long, deep, peaceful sleep. And repeat to yourself mentally, "My sleep is deep and peaceful. I welcome deep sleep." My sleep is deep and peaceful. I welcome deep sleep. My sleep is deep and peaceful. I welcome deep sleep. Follow the flow of your breath. Feel the gentle rising and falling of your chest as you breathe in and out. And watch your breath naturally slowing down as your body continues to relax. With every exhalation, feel tension releasing from your muscles. Feel your body sinking more deeply into the surface beneath you. Feel every exhalation easing you into sleep. And as we count down from 10 to 0, feel yourself becoming more relaxed and moving more deeply into sleep with every number, until, as we reach 0, you find yourself fast asleep in a deep and peaceful sleep. 10. Your body relaxing with every exhalation. 9. Letting go of your day as you effortlessly ease into sleep. 8. Every muscle in your body deeply relaxed. 7. Every breath carrying you into deep sleep. 6. Your mind peaceful and quiet. 5. Completely letting go. 4. Drifting away. 3. Peacefully drifting into deep sleep. 2. Fast asleep. 1. Deeply asleep. 0. Fast asleep. A deep, peaceful sleep.
For more information about the Relax and Be Emotionally Well app, please visit www.myrelax.app. Again, that's www.myrelax.app. We invite you to download it on the App Store or Google Play Store. There is a link in the description. If you liked this video, please click that like button. Be sure to subscribe and share it with anyone who may find it useful. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.